Hello viewer, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to show how you can resolve an error 0906D06C no start line error when you configure the SSL on your Apache server in XAMPP control panel. So I'm going to check my error logs, and here I see my error which is showing that error 09090006C. So it was working perfectly. Then suddenly when I go to and configure my SSL certificate, I am getting this error. So first thing, you need to install OpenSSL-32Win application on your Windows machines. I have shared the link in the description box. You can see how you can install it, and also in the I button. So first here you open the command prompt, and then the first command we do is open SSL x509 -in, and then give your certificate name, the existing certificate name, okay, and which obviously end with the .cer extension that text, and there's no output. And then you see that I got this error and it's a no start line. Next I'm going to check the version of my certificate, so I'm going to type open SSL x509 -in and give my certificate name, which is the existing certificate, dash in form and der, and then output is in text dash no out, and it shows some messages that you can see that my version is 3, and it gives the complete information about your certificate, your serial number, everything, So the next thing, we need to convert this certificate. So we don't need to use convert one, we have to use the OpenSSL one. So just type the OpenSSL command x509 -in form dar. This is basically the format of the certificate, dash in, then give your existing certificates on which you are getting the error, which obviously end with the .cr extension, dash out. I blur out all this name due to the security reason, but I hope you get the idea. And the out name should be the new certificate name and end with the .pam extension. Press enter, and now what we need to do, we need to copy this certificate file, which is newly generated as .pam, and this file saves in the same directory of my OpenSSL-Win32. Then go to your web server and browse your XAMPP installation drive, which is obviously on the C drive. So open the C drive, go to the XAMPP, and under the XAMPP you have the Apache folder. So let me first go to the XAMPP folder, and then you have to go to the Apache folder, and under Apache you will have your SSL directory. You may have this SSL directory in some other place, but I have put my SSL in the default locations. Now then go to the configuration and go open the http://ssl.config file and change the existing name with the new certificate name for the SSL cert file option. Then close it and then start your SSL certificate. You start your web Apache server, and see now the Apache is working perfectly on the port 4433 and 8080. So let's check that whether it's working or not. So I'm just going to fire up my web browser Firefox and type a loopback address https://127.0.0.1 and the port number 4433. So that's my customized port. You can give your own port like 443. You don't need to put the 4, and accept that it's here my XAMPP server Apache is now, and now my Apache server is working perfectly. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.